This kitchen had good bones, but it felt dark, closed off and dated. The oak cabinets, small workspace and partition wall made it feel tight and disconnected from the rest of the home. Our clients dream of a brighter, open concept design where family and friends could gather comfortably. To bring this vision to life, our designer Suhi Saran created a complete layout transformation. Her design focused on opening up the space, improving functionality, and introducing a timeless palette, soft gray cabinetry, light countertops, and a brass accents. Every element was planned to combine elegance with everyday practicality. We started by removing the partition wall that divided the kitchen from the living area. Instantly, natural light began to flow through the space, creating a bright and airy feel. Our team handled the structure framing, electrical and plumbing updates, all with precision and care. Next came the new custom shaker style cabinetry, finishing a warm gray tone that brings both style and sophistication. We added a large center island featuring a built-in cook range and a professional-grade stainless steel hood, transforming the kitchen into the true heart of the home. Every cabinet was designed to maximize storage and flow. We installed beautiful white quartz countertops with subtle veining. Paired with the under cabinets LED lighting for a clean, modern glow. All new stainless steel appliances complete the transformation, combining luxury performance with everyday reliability. And here it is, the finished kitchen, an open, elegant and functional design that reflects modern living at its best. Designed by Suhi Saran and built by HomesBuild Pro. Every inch of this kitchen was thoroughly planned and precisely crafted. If you are ready to transform your kitchen or bathroom, contact HomesBuild Pro today. Visit HomesBuildPro.com for your free consultation. Because at HomesBuild Pro, we don't just remodel homes, we create beautiful spaces for modern living.